This is my replica of a Nando's chicken and halloumi wrap. So delicious. Here's the recipe.
Let's dive into this bad boy. Wow, so good.
Start by throwing 500 grams of skinless and boneless chicken thighs into a bowl. Add around 75 milliliters of your Nando's marinade. Cover well, throw it into the fridge and let that marinate for around 2 hours. Throw the chicken into the air fryer at 170 degrees Celsius for around 10 minutes. Give it a flip, then cook for a further 4 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius to get extra crispy. You know it's done when your chicken looks like this, so crispy, yet so juicy and moist. A little tip on timings, I throw in some halloumi on those last 4 minutes as well, so they cook alongside that chicken. Saves a bit of time if you're in a rush, and so much easier to have everything ready when you start wrapping these bad boys up. Let the chicken rest for about 5 minutes, then you're ready to slice into it. Just look at how juicy that chicken is, so tender. Throw the sliced chicken into a bowl, add a little more Nando sauce, give it a good toss until it's all covered, and then you're ready to start assembling. Now the chicken and halloumi are done, we're gonna take one tortilla, lay that down, and then go in with some baby gem lettuce. Load it up with your air-fried Nando's chicken, follow through with a generous portion of Perinaise, then top it off with your halloumi. We're gonna wrap this up, get it, wrap it up, with some sweet chili jam to finish this bad boy off. Roll it up, make sure everything's in there nice and tight, then we're gonna go into our pan and toast this tortilla wrap, making sure it's crispy on every side. All that's left to do is slice in and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this easy and simple recipe, please like the video, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Let me know in the comments below what other quick meals you want me to show you.